Alrighty, you guys, like, it's just time that I address the elephant in the room. Me.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Okay, now. Cut and scene and mark 2, 3. Hello everyone, my name is Makayla MaShelle. If you're new here and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So, you know what? I'm gonna just give you guys a little overview in case you're new here. So, I lost 80 pounds. Woo, woo. Yes, I did that, honey. And then I made a video about it, telling you guys about my journey and everything like that. You guys supported that video so much. Oh my goodness, I can't thank you enough. But then, you know, I gained the weight back. Okay, so that is where we are right now. Alrighty, so I just want to say this is not going to be a whoa it's me, oh my gosh, I'm so sad, I'm so ugly, I hate myself type of video. This isn't what that's going to be. I'm just going to let you know that now. Like, no, that's not how I feel. That's not the message that I'm ever trying to portray to you guys that you should feel like. So yeah, that's not what this video is going to be about. But what this video is going to be is just kind of like me updating you guys on what's going on with me, what's going on with my body, because I did share so much with you guys previously, and because I want to continue to make weight loss videos and like health and fitness videos. I just want to fill you guys in so you're not like, girl, last time we talked to you, you were this size, what happened? And plus, I just feel like this is something that a lot of people might be struggling with right now, especially with, you know, the quarantine 15. And so I was like, you know what, why not put this video out to kind of help anyone else if they're struggling with any type of weight gain as well. So yeah, now to answer the $1,000,000 question of how much weight I gained, drum roll please. Y'all, I do not know. Okay, so here's the deal. When I reached 80 pounds lost, which was literally like a couple days before that video that I put out, I told myself, hey, yes, we want to make it to 100 pounds lost, but you look cute, you look good, I'm gonna chill out, I'm gonna relax, I'm not gonna pressure myself to, you know, make sure like every day I'm weighing myself, every day I'm making sure I stay exactly at this weight, every day I'm trying to, you know, tick. No, that's what I was not gonna do. I told myself, hey, your birthday's coming up, girl, you can relax, you can chill out, you know. So with that being said, I do not know how much I weighed at my smallest. I definitely do know that I had lost some more weight past the 80 pounds because I can see it in my photos. So here is a photo of me at probably like my lowest weight, and here is a photo of me like, was this like, I think the video that I'm gonna insert is like a week ago, which is basically the same thing because I don't think I've lost any more weight. So basically through those pictures or video clips, whatever I post, I believe I've gained between 10 to 20 pounds. I really do believe I've gained like 15 pounds, but to be honest, I just really don't know. And it's hard for me to like gauge how much weight I've gained because one, I'm not gonna say I struggle with body dysmorphia, but I do struggle with body image and like knowing what my body looks like. So and plus with me losing weight and kind of not being at this weight for a long time, I really don't know what 5 pounds looks like versus 10 pounds versus 15, because 5, 10, 15 pounds on a smaller frame looks a lot different than when I was 263 pounds. You get what I'm saying? Like, as far as my weight right now, I weigh like I'm gonna say I weigh like 185. I have been teetering 187, and a lot of that has to do with like water weight and like my cycle and just kind of like the foods that I've been eating and stuff like that, which I will talk about. But yeah, okay, so now I want to address what led me to gaining the weight. So as I mentioned, I kind of allowed myself to chill out and relax, and I kind of figured that that was going to lead me to plateauing, because you guys know, if you watch my major how I lost 80 pounds video, you guys know that I kind of took a lot of breaks in my weight loss journey where I just allowed myself to kind of maintain my weight. Now what happened this time was that a lot of life events happened, and that led me to kind of reverting back to old eating habits and reverting back to old eating patterns and binge eating. So basically, you guys, I was going through a really rough time just because my birthday was coming up, in which not many people know this, but I don't know, I get the birthday blues. Like, I literally like get so stressed and sad around my birthday because I'm like, oh my goodness, what did I do this past year of my life? I'm getting older. I'm just like, what did I do with this past year of my life? Like, am I moving? Like, am I progressing to the point that I want to? Am I reaching my goals? I literally am a worry wart. I stress myself out. So yeah, my birthday literally like caused so much stress for me. And then on top of that, you know, and then with Corona happening, I decided to, you know, move back with my family, because I just didn't want to be at my apartment like by myself. And living here and the food that's available here is just a lot different. And then on top of all of that, I had a couple relationships in my life, like friendships and stuff like that, that just kind of hit the rocks. And so I was just going through a little rough time. And the thing is, all of it wasn't happening at once, but it was like, the thing is like things were kind of like layering on top of each other, and I wasn't realizing how much it was affecting me, and I wasn't realizing how much I was reverting back to binge eating and things like that, because I wasn't doing it to the extent that I did when I was at my heavier weights. So I wasn't necessarily noticing the patterns right away. But yeah, so that is basically kind of what led me to gaining the weight. Was just not the fact that I like relaxed and chilled out on working out and stuff like that, but really was me reverting back to old eating habits. Okay, so to address how I'm feeling emotionally about my weight gain, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really am not like really sad about it. I'm really not, like, I really don't have these like really super negative feelings about it. The only thing that I would say, I'm a little frustrated because I'm like, girl, now I gotta re-go through and re-lose the weight that I had already lost. But really, I'm not like beating myself up on it. I'm not dwelling on it. And that's because, one, before, as I was losing weight, I was learning to love myself at these new bodies. And so I still, even though this might not be my goal body or my dream body, I still feel good. I feel, you know, confident in the body that I'm in now. I don't really have these negative feelings towards this body. And so that's why I preach and I push you guys to learn to love your body at whatever size you are at, because you never know if you're gonna end up there again. And I'm not trying to be like, oh girl, you're gonna gain weight back. No, I'm not trying to say that, but it's just like, why beat yourself up? Like, the world is gonna do that enough, you know? And I know you guys are like, yeah, everyone says this, but like, really, like, it's really no point. Plus, on top of that, as you guys know, that I don't believe it's worth your time to dwell on what you did wrong. It's just not. I mean, you can learn from your mistake, analyze what you did wrong, but move on from that. Learn what you need to do differently the next time, in this moment, tomorrow, the next day. But what freaking out about, oh my gosh, I can't believe the past 2 weeks I've ate fast food. No, the past 2 weeks you ate fast food. Okay, are you gonna eat fast food the next 2 weeks? That's what you need to be worrying about. That's what you need to be thinking about, because that's the only thing that you can change. So with that being said, I am now focusing on kind of what my next moves are going to be, kind of what my next goals are going to be, what I'm going to do differently, because you guys, I have realized that my eating, like what I was eating and consuming, has a major effect on my mood and my emotions. And I cannot afford for my mood and my emotions to be going haywire and to be in negative spaces and negative places, because I'm trying to live my life to the fullest and live my life to the best, and I'm trying to, you know, do great things, and I can't do that if I'm over here crying and in a cranky mood, you know what I mean? So with that being said, my new weight loss journey, or, you know, health journey, is really going to be focused on just me having fun with trying new things, and me focusing on being more health conscious with the food that I consume. And I'm not going to just be focusing on calories and weight loss, but more so on like what nutrients I'm giving myself, what chemicals am I putting into my body, things like that. And I'm not saying that I'm going to turn into like a health nut who worries about that every second of the day. I'm not going to say that I'm giving up preservatives. Maybe in the future I will. Maybe in the future I'll go vegan or vegetarian. It's a possibility. But right now, I'm not going to commit to doing that. What I'm committing to is simply like having fun and getting back healthy and getting back in a space where I feel like I'm putting, like, the amount of stuff that I'm putting in my body is more healthy than more not healthy. You get what I'm saying? So with that being said, I will be starting a new series on my channel where I am just trying out new health, like new diet plans, where I'm trying out new workout plans, where I'm trying out new lifestyles, all that stuff. You can have fun while still getting healthy. I can try new things. I love to do that. So yeah, and I want to take you guys with me. So this isn't going to be like me saying, oh, I'm sticking with this plan for this routine Monday through Friday for 4 months. No, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but while I do it, I will be taking you guys with me and taking this on this journey with me. And I know I said that last time, like, well, I didn't say that last time, but I know I said last time that I was going to do more weight loss videos. But you know, here I'm telling you why I did do more weight loss videos, because your girl gained weight. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all I have to say, you guys. I don't want to keep rambling. because I want to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point. Don't know if I did that, but yeah. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaShelle. Bye.